Hi, I'm Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries. I'm going to be showing you how to trim the bottom board off of the bottom tier of your wedding cake to place it on the master cake board. What you basically need to do is take a small paring knife with a sharp edge, and you're just going to slowly cut into the corrugated board and cut it all around the base of your bottom tier. As you do so, slowly pulling the corrugated board away from the actual bottom tier of the wedding cake. Bending it down. You want to try and get it as close as to the cake tier as possible so you don't have a larger seam to cover. But you also want to make sure that there's enough room so you can actually still pick up the cake and not have too much cake holding on. Basically, after you've done that, your bottom corrugated board is removed from your bottom tier. You're then basically going to take this bottom tier and place it onto your master board. You will need a parchment bag full of corn syrup. You're going to take that, snip that off, put about a quarter size amount of corn syrup on your bottom of your master board, and then you're just going to remove this cake tier. Make sure you place it right in center. And that's it. My name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakery, and I've just shown you how to place your bottom tier of your wedding cake on your master cake board.